living water flow from the riverside of me. Out of my belly, let your living water flow. Let your living water flow from the riverside of me. Out of my belly, let your living water flow. Yes, she live in the Ketiera. And if any man thirst, let him come to me and drink. And he that believes in me, as the scripture has said it, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living waters. Hey!
Let your living water flow
from the riverside
of me.
Out of my belly,
out of my belly, let your living water flow.
Spirit of the living God, let it flow, let it flow.
The riverside of me.
Out of my belly,
out of my belly,
let your living water flow. Let it flow, let it flow.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Hey, let it flow.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Out of your belly, let it flow.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Let it flow.
Let your living water flow.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Rivers of living water.
Let it flow, let it flow.
Out of my belly shall flow living waters. Rivers of healing flow. Rivers of wisdom flow. Rivers of abundance flow. Rivers of the Spirit flow.
Rivers of healing flow.
Yeah.
Rivers of wisdom
Yes,
flow. Rivers of abundance flow.
Rivers of the Spirit
Rivers of the Spirit flow.
Rivers of fire. Hey. Rivers of mysteries. Rivers of understanding. Hey. Rivers of the Spirit flow. And the hand of the Lord was upon me. So I prophesied as I was commanded. And as I prophesied, the dry bones came together. Bone to bone, bone to bone, bone to bone. Hey. Everything died in me.
Wake up.
Hey. Every voice died in me.
Wake up.
Wake up, oh, wake up, oh.
Wake up.
Hear the voice of the Father.
Hear the voice of the Father.
Everything died in me.
Wake
Hey.
up.
Every sound hidden in me.
Wake up.
Wake up, oh.
Wake up.
Wake up,
Wake
oh.
up.
Rise up.
Yeah. Hear the voice of the Father.
Hey. My creativity.
Wake up.
Hey. My inspiration.
Wake up.
Wake up, oh.
Wake up.
Wake up,
Wake
oh.
up.
Hear the voice of the
Hear the
Father.
voice of the Father.
Now you have the next 10 seconds to call the things that be not as though they are. The fountain of life is flowing right now. If only you can drink. The waters are being stirred up right now. Let it flow, let it flow.
Let it flow.
Let it flow.
Let it flow.
Let it flow. Let the rivers flow from your inside. Rivers of living water. Hey. Let it flow, let it flow.
Let it flow. Let it flow.
Let your living water flow. Let your living water flow from the riverside of me, out of my belly. Let your living